kids, welcome back to our reading lesson on airplane.
Yay!
In our last lesson, we discussed about the airplane cabin. Are you ready for the remaining lesson, kids?
Yay!
The airplane cabin is very beautiful. Your turn, kids.
The airplane cabin is very beautiful.
Perfect. The windows are small. Your turn, kids.
The windows are small.
Good. Window spells W I N D O W. Your turn, kids.
W I N D O W. Window.
Correct. Here is an airport. The plane stays in the airport. The airplane stays in the airport. Your turn, kids.
The airplane stays in the airport.
Correct. Airport spells A I R P O R T. Your turn, kids.
A I R P O R T. Airport.
Perfect. The airport has a runway. Your turn, kids.
The airport has a runway.
Good. Runway spells R U N W A Y. Your turn, kids.
R U N W A Y.
Excellent. This is the airport runway. Your turn, kids.
This is the airport runway.
Correct. Airplanes take off from the runway. Your turn, kids.
Airplanes take off from the runway.
Excellent. Now it is taking off. Your turn, kids.
Now it is taking off.
Correct. Here is an airplane flying in the sky. Now it is flying in the air. Your turn, kids.
Now it is flying in the air.
Excellent. The airplane also land on through the runway. Your turn, kids.
The airplane also land on through the runway.
Good. Now it is landing. Your turn, kids.
Now it is landing.
Excellent. There are also smaller airplanes. Your turn, kids.
There are also smaller airplanes.
This is a jet. Your turn, kids.
This is a jet.
Good. Jet spells J E T. Your turn, kids.
J E T. Jet.
Excellent. This is a helicopter. Your turn, kids.
This is
Excellent. Helicopter spells H E L I C O P T E R. Your turn, kids.
H E L I C O P T E R. Helicopter.
And that will be all for the airplane reading class, kids. Hope you enjoyed the lesson.